Females of different species are generally choosy when picking their partner. It is because their eggs are precious. It is expensive to reproduce every time when they mate. Therefore, they have to choose the best male who has good genes and higher reproductive success. To prove themselves better than other candidates, males have to show their strength by accessories, fight, or color. This is considered as sexual selection. In humans, our sexual selection is a bit complicated because females will not only consider strengths of men, but also their educational background, wealth, and personalities. However, there is one thing that females will have a look first, and that is strong enough that can decide whether to continue communicating with that male or not, which is the face. People may not be aware of that, but our faces actually hide a lot of messages. The more nutrients a male consumes, the more materials are used to build up the face, and also build up masculinity at the same time. Then a male will look healthier. In other words, the more masculine a male's face is, the higher the reproductive rate he has, and also have better semen quality. Unintentionally, females tend to choose males with a more masculine face, since they look healthier and somehow more attractive. After all this background information, there is one question really bothering me. Can facial masculinity be the universal indicator to measure seminal fluid quality among males of different nationalities? To make this question clearer, let's divide this into two aspects: facial masculinity and seminal fluid quality. One study suggested that white males are perceived as more attractive than that of Asian males since their faces are more masculine, so the majority of females usually like white males more. In order to measure the differences in their face, here is a graph showing how to measure facial masculinity. There are a total of 6 measurements in quantifying facial masculinity, which is eye size, lower face height, lip width, cheekbone width, nostril width, and lower face area to quantify the masculinity of different faces. To test another aspect, the semen quality, we can mainly consider 3 measurements following the guidelines provided by WHO: mobility, morphology, and concentration. Many studies have different opinions regarding the correlation relationship between facial masculinity and semen quality. Some suggested that it's positive, some said it's negative, some said there is no significant relationship between the two. No matter it is positive or negative, as long as it is significant and both white and Asian males have the same direction of data, facial masculinity can still possibly be the universal indicator to measure semen quality. So in this research, if we found a positive or negative relationship between facial masculinity and semen quality in both Asian and white males, then facial masculinity can possibly be the universal indicator. However, if the results do not show a significant result at all, then facial masculinity cannot be the universal indicator. By conducting this research, we can not only know more about ourselves, but also the sexual selection within humans and the potential mating tricks. To conclude, even if facial masculinity can possibly be the universal indicator to measure semen quality, it is just one of the criteria to see how females choose their partner. And we still don't have an absolute answer to explain this connection yet. Hopefully, in the future, there will be more research investigating in this field.